Now I already opened the parcel regarding the item. Now let's see what is inside. So this is the Kershaw Gens Carabiner 1150 LKX. So they deliver very well. I expected to receive this item around 20 or 25 this day, the month of May, but thank God it's delivered earlier, so they have a very good outcome and good service of delivery, especially the Aramex. Okay. Right now the expectation, this look very tough. So this is the model of the Kershaw. Okay, so it says here, okay, it's made of steel black oxide coating. Okay, then overall the size of the inch is 3.6 inch. 3.6 inch. Okay, then it's good, but don't forget, this is not for you know, when we heard carabiner, it's usually thinking used for rappelling or what. So still it's advised not to use this as for rappelling. Okay, so it's like tools. If you're a person, or yeah, if you're a person looking or wanting to have everyday carry, it's a good sample of this. So as you see on the edge of the carabiner, okay, so there's a size for the nuts. Okay, so then you see also the some kind of if you're using inside your car, it's used for emergency purposes, for belt cutter. Okay, but it's a good design and sample. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thank you. God bless to all.